Hi friends, welcome back to new video. In this video I am sharing to you the details of how to replace or remove the ink cartridges of HP Deskjet 2710 model printer. If you are a new viewer of this channel, like and subscribe this channel and click on the bell button to receive notification of new uploaded videos. HP 2710 model printer is one of the best affordable inkjet printer from HP brand. It has print, scan, copy and wireless printing functions. About print speed of this printer: black 7 pages, color 5 pages per minute. Print resolution is 1200 to 1200 dpi. Connect the power cable to the socket of the back side of the printer. After that, press and turn on the printer with this power button. Power LED blinking now. When the printer is ready to use, the display can see 0, but when we press on copy button, it will be seen 1. We can select up to 9 copies at the same time by black or color copy button. How many times we press on this button, we get copies that much. Open this door. This is the output paper tray of this printer. Maximum has 25 sheets capacity of this tray. Next, open this access door. Printer's ink carriage is here. If it open, the ink carriage will come to the front side of this printer. Please note, if the printer is off, the ink carriage will not come like this. It's mandatory to put the black on the right side, the color on the left side of the carriage, otherwise the printer will not work. The access door is indicated by the picture where the black and color cartridge should be placed. Also indicated on this door the model number of the cartridge to be used. 305 is given here. Therefore, this printer will work only with this number cartridge. Next, let's see how to remove these cartridges. Press on the cartridge down slightly and pull to out. Black removed now. For color also same procedure. Press and pull it out. Now both cartridges are removed. Next, let's see how to insert these cartridges to printer. This is the 305 black cartridge. Insert this cartridge on the right side of the cartridge and push it slightly inwards. Next, 305 color cartridge. Also insert this cartridge on the left side of the cartridge and push it slightly inwards. Now both cartridges are inserted. After then, close the access door. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.